Just to compare it maybe with a Commonwealth jurisdiction, with the UK or any other country, the LSATs could be compared to an entrance examination. Essentially, it's like a test to see if you are capable of following a law degree. Essentially.
Exactly. Yeah. So it's the admissions test. It is a kind of entrance exam. And the funny thing about it is that, first of all, it's not pass fail. So you're ranked on a scale of 120 to 180. 120 is the lowest score you can get. 180 is the highest score you can get. And a 170 is the 97th percentile, meaning that it's quite difficult to get a top score on this exam. Even the top students are getting a 170, 171. It becomes very difficult at the higher ends of that scale. The other funny thing about the LSAT is that it doesn't test law. There's no law knowledge or content tested on this exam, which relates back to this idea that you could major in anything for your undergraduate degree before going to law school. So they're not testing your understanding of content. Rather, they're testing your ability to think critically, to think like a lawyer. And so what does that mean? It means being able to think critically, to think skeptically, to evaluate arguments, to hold several different pieces of a case in your head simultaneously and then make connections between them. And so it's something that most students really aren't familiar with when they're first getting into this. And for that reason, it often makes them feel quite foolish when they first see the exam and score poorly. But I tell them, that's okay. The LSAT is like a foreign language. And so, of course, you would do terribly when you first looked at it. You have to get a sense of it and get the rhythms and see the patterns. And over time, you'll improve. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.